How to use Bolt for work travel. Need to manage business rights easily? Here's how to use Bolt Business for your work trips. First, go to your profile in the Bolt app and select Business Profile or create a business account. Enter your work email, company name, and billing details. On set, you can switch between personal and business rights before confirming a trip. Your invoices and payments for business rights will automatically be sent to your company email or account dashboard, making expense tracking simple. Use your business profile only for official rights to keep your receipts organized for reimbursement. Do you use Bolt for personal or work travel more often? Share about it in the comments below. And that's how you can use Bolt Business for work travel. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.